view though. Sheesh. Let's install a diffuser. Oh guys, as you can see, we got a diffuser for the NA. I was actually gonna put this thing on the NB, but this thing is gonna do the NA a better justice. This is actually an older style R-Theory rear diffuser. I know that they run back order for a while, and this is like the older gen that they used to have. I picked this thing up local off Facebook Marketplace. It's a little bit dirty. We're gonna be cleaning this thing up today, painting it. Just a fresh coat of black paint on it, just to make it look really nice on the back here. But this thing is honestly pretty simple, and it looks absolutely amazing. If you guys have ever seen one on a NA before, NB, but it literally is basically just simple bolt-on. These two tabs on the bottom right here bolt on to the chassis portion in the back, and then it has little arms that bolt on to where the rear bumper goes too. So very simple to install, but this thing is gonna make the rear end of the NA look so good. So I'm really excited. I was gonna build a do-it-yourself rear diffuser, but this thing came up on Facebook Marketplace, so I just had to go pick it up. Just give you guys an up-close look of this thing. It is definitely very dirty. Like I said, we're gonna clean this thing up, give it a nice little black paint job. It'll clean up super nicely. But this thing is gonna look gnarly on the back right here. Like I said, it has the two mounting points for the chassis right here, and then you got these two upper arms right here that actually bolt to where the front or the rear bumper actually bolts up to. So pretty simple, and then you got adjustment too if you want it to go further in, further out. But this thing is definitely gonna be super sweet on the back of the NA. Now that we cleaned off and also sprayed a nice black coat of paint on the diffuser, while we're letting that thing dry, we're gonna go ahead and put on the rear bumper. I actually had the PS Deuce kit on this thing, the KBD, so you guys have seen this car with like the rear bumper for that kit, but I haven't had my stock bumper on this car in a really long time. I have it cut. It's actually still camo wrapped, so we're gonna have to rewrap this, and honestly I might rewrap the entire car. I'm not sure yet, but we're gonna have this rear bumper on there for now, so we need to pop it back on and then attach it, and then we should be good to go to install the rear diffuser. So let's go ahead and put this stock rear bumper back on the car. I know it probably doesn't look the best because it's camo, but dude, this thing, I forgot how good a stock bumper really looks back on the Miata. I haven't had this thing on in probably 3 years, but dang, it definitely it looks good. I'm actually pumped to have this stock bumper back on. All right, let's go ahead and go grab the diffuser and slap it on. Dang, I'm gonna do some more adjusting, but wow. I don't know, maybe I'll make it stick out slightly more. It doesn't stick out from the top too much, but wow. Look at that thing, man. Fits perfect with the ISR exhaust too. Doesn't hit. Wow, I can't get the perfect angle here. It goes all the way under as well. Not sure if you guys can see that. That angle's probably the best. Oh man, look at that. But I'm gonna do some more adjusting here, and then I'll lower the car down, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like on the ground. But this thing, it fits so nice, like so easy to install. Like I was saying, it's pretty much bolt on, but this thing is very, very perfect fitting for the Miata, and it's super easy to install. Guys, all I can say is, wow, this thing is sick. No, this thing is really sweet. All right. Better light out here. Thing is so good. Look at that. Wow. Thing is so sick. Got the side view right here. It doesn't come out too far from the rear bumper right here, but I think it looks nice and subtle. Got the fins right there. Like I said, the exhaust fits perfect. Pretty decent off the ground. Man, dude, really, really excited about that. It looks so good. Definitely comment down below what you guys think. Well guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, but all around, like I said, easy install. I'd give it a 10 out of 10 for everything, how it looks, how easy it is to install, and honestly the price isn't too bad either. I think it was like 300 bucks. I think it's like $300 brand new, or 320 or something like that. And for how quality it is compared to if you would have to make your own, it's honestly a pretty solid diffuser right there. Dude, this thing's gonna look so good once we put the 9 Lives Johnny Wing on here. But anyways, guys, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And peace out, guys. I'll see you in the next one.